unique country in the world has not one, but two presidents? A. Switzerland. B. North Korea. C. San Marino. Correct answer is C. San Marino. Which sport in Bhutan is recognized as a symbol of national pride? A. Football. B. Archery. C. Kabaddi. Correct answer is B. Archery. Which is the greenest state in India with the largest forest cover? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Do you know how many years a monkey can live? A. 5 to 10 years. B. 10 to 15 years. C. 15 to 20 years. Correct answer is B. 10 to 15 years. Have you ever noticed how many spokes are in the wheel of the Indian flag? A. 24 spokes. B. 26 spokes. C. 32 spokes. Correct answer is A. 24 spokes. Which animal is considered a symbol of India's cultural heritage? A. Tiger. B. Rhinoceros. C. Elephant. Correct answer is C. Elephant. Which city in India consistently ranks number 1 in cleanliness? A. Indore. B. Surat. C. Navi Mumbai. Correct answer is A. Indore. Which spice is so precious and special that it is called the Spice Queen? A. Cardamom. B. Black pepper. C. Cinnamon. Correct answer is A. Cardamom. Where is the Akshardham temple located? A. Delhi. B. Gujarat. C. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Delhi. Which state is known as the king of India's cashew industry? A. Kerala. B. Maharashtra. C. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Maharashtra. Which country has the most influence on the global economy? A. China. B. USA. C. Japan. Correct answer is B. USA. Which is the largest museum in the world? A. British Museum. B. Metropolitan Museum. C. Louvre Museum. Correct answer is C. Louvre Museum. Which Mughal emperor is associated with the historic Battle of Ghaghara? A. Babur. B. Akbar. C. Humayun. Correct answer is A. Babur. What is Aligarh city most known for? A. Locks and hardware. B. Carpet industry. C. Spices. Correct answer is A. Locks and hardware. Which unique country in the world has not one, but two presidents? A. Switzerland. B. North Korea. C. San Marino. Correct answer is C. San Marino. Which is the richest state in India? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Maharashtra. Which country is currently ranked number 1 in population? A. China. B. India. C. USA. Correct answer is B. India. Whether it's wine or fresh grapes, which city in India produces the most? A. Nashik, B. Surat, C. Pune. Correct answer is in Nashik. Which country's land yields the most silver? A. China, B. India, C. Mexico. Correct answer is C. Mexico. As of 2025, how many states are there in India? A. 28, B. 29, C. 27. Correct answer is A. 28. Do you know in which Indian state the densest sandalwood forests are found? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Karnataka.